Hello and welcome to another edition of Wax Busters, where tonight we'll be opening a 2007 Leaf Certified Materials. 10 packs, 4 hits.
Let's start with a random pack right in the middle.
Random pack, here we go.
Duh. Oh,
Is that a patch?
that's pretty sweet. Gale Sayers, Cedric Benson. 25 of 25.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Look at that,
I'll take that.
right off the bat. You
That's a
Bears
wicked
fans.
sweet patch.
25 of 25.
I wish we didn't do a random pack. That's probably my hit of the box. Alright. First pack.
Actually, the second pack.
Base. Oh, first pack on the thing.
Oh.
I know we're going to get hit with a Reggie Bush. I just feel it.
Michael Bush.
Yeah, I wish.
Joe.
Oh, Joe Thomas. That guy's starting to haunt us too.
Joe Thomas. Football, New Jersey, numbered 10 of 250.
Alright.
It's 2 quick hits. Gotta slow down. We got the boring break.
Well, I gotta think I got another hit here. No, maybe not. Numbered Demetrius Williams, 500.
Look at that. Nice card. Insert material.
I know what's coming. There we go. Oh,
Oh no.
Brady Quinn,
Was it?
849. Not bad. It's Browns box.
Come on, zoom in. Oh, there you go. 849. 829.
820. That's my last hit. Oh. Sean Merriman, 40 of 50.
Yeah. Sean Merriman. No one cares.
No one cares. Someone cares. I think this is what I hit in it.
You think? Or just another decoy?
I know for a fact. Oh. Joseph Fadad.
Yeah, it looks like another
That's a
decoy.
hit. Number to 1,000. Well, that's a sweet patch.
See it, man?
Ah. Michael Vick.
Ah.
Are you kidding me?
Number.
15 of 35.
Look at that.
I thought they weren't putting his. Oh.
There's always a Michael Vick in town.
What?
So that cost yourself for like $1,000 because
Probably not.
Topps Chrome one does.
Probably sell for like 99.
I didn't get an autograph. That's
Maybe a
kind of
pen.
disappointing. Why, Jason Snelling rookie? 1,500.
Wow, that's
I'm one of
incredibly.
only 1,500 people that'll own that.
Is that
There
it?
it is. Yeah. Look at that patch.
Well, there you go. Is it a patch or is it just?
That's a patch. That's a dual patch.
That's
Sick.
there's the main hit. Joe Thomas, Brady Quinn, and everyone's favorite Michael Vick. Well, thank you for watching. There's a checklist.